With your ranting roundup of tech news for January 3rd, 2012, I'm Eric Mack, and you asked for it. You said, could you be any more disheveled than you were yesterday? And well, here I am. Today the rumor in the tech news is that RIM is considering a change at the top. The BlackBerry makers, co-founders, and co-CEOs might have to let go of their other positions as co-chairs of the board. See, now this is how you know that RIM is a Canadian company. Here in the US, we're just not as nice as they are up there. In the US, if a college football coach has a great year and then loses the bowl game at the end, they're at risk of getting fired. But apparently up in Canada, you can fumble a huge industry lead, you can release an expensive tablet, but forget to include email on it, have your underlings get so drunk that they get cuffed on an airplane and then chew through their restraints. You can have all this happen, and only then will your compatriots say, hey, maybe you should say something to these hosers, eh? I kid, Canada, I kid. I love Tim Hortons. Also today, Windows Internet Explorer is almost totally dead in the US. IE6 now has less than 1% of the browser market here in the States. Probably the same 1% of the population that's still drinking Tab while watching episodes of The Golden Girls on VHS before firing up that old 486 machine to spend a few hours searching for Rue McClanahan's bio using AltaVista and an AOL dial-up account. And finally, I've got a story up at CNET right now all about how the next Kindle tablet might not be made by Amazon. Check that out, it's interesting. And at anewdomain.net, you can check out a very cool infographic. It's all about ringtones and how, much like IE6, they just won't die. Turns out that's good news for Lil Wayne, bad news for your ears. Check it out, it's anewdomain.net. And I'm at Eric C. Mack at Twitter. That's the tech news. I'm Eric Mack.